Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Embrace Wellness. My name is Sweetie Addo and in today's video we are going to talk about something different. You must be thinking about my hair. Well, I'm going to get my hair straightened today. I've been straightening my hair for the last 10 years and I still got hair on my head. You must be thinking that as well. So for that, I've already made a video on how to get your hair strong and healthy. You can always check my description box. So in today's video, we are going to talk about hair straightening and hair smoothing. What are the steps involved in hair straightening? How long does the hair straightening process takes place? And from where I'm getting the hair straightening done for. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So here I am at Selfie Hair and Beauty Salon, which is just opposite Acropolis Mall in Kolkata. If you're looking for a hairstylist specialized in taking care of the beauty and the health of your hair, this salon welcomes you for a unique and unforgettable salon experience. Selfie Hair and Beauty Salon offers unique solutions and the latest trends in haircuts, hair color, hair care, and styling for the total look. Trust the professional expertise of your hairdresser in this salon. For services ranging from pro-keratin treatments to a new permanent hair color or balayage, from hair straightening to hair smoothing, you'll find all the professional products to achieve the best trendy haircuts and look for your hair in Selfie Hair and Beauty Salon. Now let us speak about hair straightening with the hair expert and the owner, Mr. Shishti Arora. What are the steps involved in straightening, hair straightening?
See, there are a couple of steps involved into it, whereas we also provide a treatment as well. So we initially start off with a cleansing of the hair. Okay, so we use a Scalp Genesis purifying shampoo for it, and then after that, once we are over with the shampoo, we come with a 70% of towel dry. Go ahead along with the straight therapy spray. Probably emulsify it with a comb, with lighter hands with a comb, and then apply the cream. Do on a random check. Then after the wash, come again, put in a peptide repair treatment. Keep it for say 10 to 12 minutes, because it gives a good health to your hair. That is why probably we call this as a treatment. So this is a treatment based stuff. Okay, it is a treatment based stuff. That is what we keep it for 10 to 12 minutes. After that we go rinse off, we come back, full 100% blow dry, and start off the ironing process. Along with that, we have got another product as well, where after this particular treatment repair, we put in a flattener before ironing. So this would flatten your hair and probably straightening would be awesome. So once we have finished off with the iron and the rinse off, we dry the hair and finish off with the magic spray. So this is just at last, it's all over, and I guess you guys will have an awesome result if you follow up this particular procedure.
The very first thing when you enter the salon is the hairdresser. In my case, the hairdresser is Mr. Wasim. He takes care of your hair. He analyzes your hair. He checks the quality of your hair. He sees how much of a virgin hair do you have. And then accordingly, he suggests you that whether you should go for hair straightening or hair smoothing. So these are the products of Glad Schwarzkopf that he will be using on my hair today for hair straightening. So let us get started with it. So now we will clean our hair. Here he is cleansing my hair with Scalp Genesis Purifying Shampoo, which is a deep cleansing shampoo for normal to oily scalp and stringing hair. This formula with stem coat complex and vitamin B3 deeply cleanses oil scalps and hair from excess sebum and residues. After washing my hair, he is entangling my hair. That is 70% of the trial dye is already been done, and then he will be applying the straight therapy spray, which is a pre-treatment spray, balances the structure of the hair prior to the straightening treatment. Now comes the application of Glad Schwarzkopf hair straightening cream, which is designed to create permanent natural looking straight hair for those with naturally curly, frizzy or wavy hair. This cream contains a wheat-based care complex to leave hair smooth and shiny, and it is also formulated with innovative protein care formula, which provides perfectly long-lasting straight hair with extra care for shiny and healthy hair. Now this cream is applied for breaking the bond of your hair. Now, usually the time taken to keep this cream on your hair is 40 minutes, but it might take longer, which is again depending on the texture of your hair. Now here Wasim is taking the small sections of my hair and he will apply the cream and keep it straight through my hair. You're not supposed to move your head during this time. He will continue doing so until the entire portion of my hair is covered with the cream. While waiting for 40 minutes, Yasim kept on checking my hair whether the rebonding process is being done properly, whether the application of the cream which is being applied to my hair has worked or not, and I believe it is done. So now he'll be taking me for a good hair wash, so the cream application that he has done to my hair is completely washed off for the further process of straightening. After the hair wash, the hair is towel dried, and then BC peptide repair rescue treatment is applied to the hair, which is basically a reconstructive treatment for fine to normal damaged hair that deeply reconstructs the inner and outer hair structure. The formula balances the moisture contents, provides extra strengthening qualities, and improves the elasticity of the hair. Here Jassim is taking small sections of my hair to apply the cream, and he will continue doing so until the entire sections of my hair is being covered with the cream. We will allow to sit the cream on our hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. Since we are going from a natural to unnatural process of straightening the hair, to reduce the effects of the damage, we use peptide repair treatment. Now again we will go for a hair wash where the entire cream will be washed off from my hair. Now we all know that perfectly straight, smooth and shiny hair is a sign of healthy hair and vitality, but the use of straightening irons can have an adverse effect if the hair gets too hot. Oshi's Flattener Heat Protection Spray lets you create sleek hair with ultra flat control. Here Jassim is spraying onto the damp hair. He will cover the entire sections of the hair so that the hair is protected from the heat damage, and then the entire hair will be blow dried completely with the help of a blow dryer. Now here small sections of my hair will be taken until the entire sections of the hair is being covered and straightening will be done. Now this process is really important and has to be done very carefully because it gives you the final result. Now the difference between hair straightening and hair smoothing is that hair straightening is for people who have a really highly unmanageable curls and unruly hair and requires very high maintenance since certain strong chemicals are being used. It takes about 7 to 8 hours and the results are almost permanent as long as your hair would take to regrow. While smoothing treatments help you to get rid of frizz and damage caused by pollution hair, this is best suited for people who have frizzy hair, and the results are temporary. It stays for about 4 to 5 months, and the damage cost is very less. So, and the time taken for smoothing the hair is about 4 to 5 hours or maybe less. Now we will be using Glad Schwarzkopf hair straightening neutralizing balm. This balm is used after ironing the entire sections of your hair very straight. This is used for fixing the hair, as it also polishes your hair. Now again, the small sections of my hair is being taken, the cream is applied, and then the hair is combed along with the cream and kept it straight. It is usually advised to keep this cream for about 10 to 15 minutes, and during this time you're not supposed to move your hair, because even a small curl during this time might ruin the entire process of straightening. Now after waiting for 10 to 15 minutes, trust me, it's a tedious process. Again, the hair is washed, the entire cream is being removed from my hair, and then a complete blow dry is being done to my hair. Now they have to completely dry my hair and then set my hair properly, and the setting has to be done very neatly. I'm really super excited about this. So guys, as you can all see, my hair looks shinier, smoother and healthy because of the products which are being used. And now we'll be using the Schwarzkopf Oshish Magic Spray, which is a magical serum that smoothens dry and frizzy hair. It provides better texture and shine to the hair, making it shinier and softer. It keeps your hair frizz-free and brilliantly glossy, and it is easy to apply and wash away as well. So guys, I'm absolutely loving my hair. I hope you are liking it too. So I'll see you after 48 hours when my second hair wash will be done. So during this 48 hours, you have to keep your hair free from any bend. You cannot tie your hair or use any kind of band, and you should not wet or sweat your hair. So after 2 days, I had to visit the salon again to get my first wash after the treatment. Minimum 2 days time is set so that the chemicals get set in those 2 days. Then we will go for a complete blow dry of my hair. And I really love the result which has come. My hair feels so soft, light and shiny. I would really like to thank Mr. Srishri Arora, the owner of the Selfie Parlor, and Yasim, my hairdresser, for such an amazing job being done. And I would really like you all to see the result which has come out of it. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and let me know in the comment section below how do you feel about it. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.